welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the new Kylie Lipsticks. If you do want to see a review and swatches, please keep watching. When I first opened up the package, it did come with her signature card, the lips with the drips, and then of course on the back it did have a little note. Thanks for your new purchase from Kylie Cosmetics. I hope you enjoy your new products and stay tuned for more surprises. All my love, Kylie. Now let's get into the lipsticks. I know you guys are super excited to see what they look like. So this is, of course, is the packaging. I was actually surprised on how cute the packaging would be. I really do love the silver detail and the little lips at the top. And then of course you do have the shade names. These retail for $17 each, and some shades are still available on KylieCosmetics.com. I ended up picking up 9 shades, so I picked up some of the darker shades like the reds and some of the purples, so we're just gonna get into the swatches. And this is a beautiful packaging. It's silver, it says Kylie on the side, and it does have the little lip imprint, and this is in the shade Truffle. When you open up the packaging, this is what the lipstick tube does look like. It says Kylie at the bottom and then Jenner on the back. So let's open this up. So this is what the lipstick does look like. It says Kylie embossed inside. Truffle is a dusty rose shade. The next shade is called Mont Blanc, and this is a mid-tone nude shade. I really do like this shade color. I like this shade. It does complement my skin tone very nicely, and it does have like a vanilla scent to it. I didn't realize it in the previous shade, Truffle. Next shade is called AMORE, and this is a bright pink coral shade. And this is what the shade AMORE does look like. I really do like how this swatch. Next shade is called Madeline, and this is a warm strawberry shade. And that's what Madeline looks like. Troublemaker is the next shade, and this is a warm terracotta shade. This is what Troublemaker looks like. Next shade is called Red Hot, and this is a bright red coral shade. And here's the shade Red Hot. Pomegranate is the next shade, and this is a true red shade. Pomegranate is a very pretty shade. The next shade is called Chocolate Souffle, and this is a reddish brown shade. That's a really pretty shade. The last shade is called Lovesick, and this is a deepened grape. And here we have that beautiful shade. This shade I was the most excited about, but I really don't like this shade at all. I feel like it's a little bit too bright for my skin complexion. I feel like if it was a little bit deeper, then I would love it, but I don't really like this shade. Besides the grape shade, I really do like all the other shades that I did swatch. I was actually surprised that I liked a bunch of these lighter shades. There is going to be a giveaway. You are going to be receiving 9 of the shades that I did swatch, all 9 shades, which I really do like. I don't really have any complaints about the formula. I really do like the pigmentation, so you will be getting that. One lucky winner will be getting it, and there is going to be a link down below in the description box. You just have to click on the link where you'll be redirected to their website, gleam.io. You just have to be subscribed to my channel in order to be entered in this giveaway. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.